Hello student, welcome to Standard 10th History. We are learning Chapter 6 Entertainment and History Part 8. In the previous lecture we have been studying Indian film industry, that is cinema, and in this we have studied the great producers such as Dada Saheb Torni, then Dada Saheb Phalke we have studied, as well as we have studied the lady first producer of Maharashtra, Kamlabai Mangalurkar, who has contributed a lot in the Marathi film industries as well as overall film industries. Now let us move on to, or let us continue the same topic, that is the theatre. Historical movies were also made in Hindi. The Hindi movies made in the pre-independent period, that is Sikandar, Tansen, Samrat Chandragupta, Prithvi Vallabh and Mughal Azam were made with a historical backdrop. Dr. Kotnis की अमर कहानी was based on a true story. The movies based on the Indian struggle for independence such as Andolan, Jhansi Ki Rani also deserve a mention here. So these were the historical movies in Hindi, that is Sikandar, Tansen, Samrat Chandragupta, Prithvi Vallabh, Mughal Azam were the great films at that time. So let us find out the names of historical Marathi movies made during the period of 1970 to 2015 with the help of internet. So my dear student, you can do this. Make a list of it, of Marathi historical films. Then production studio. So here these famous studios are there which are situated in Mumbai, such as Bombay Talkies, number 2 Raj Kamal Productions, RK Studio, Navketan Studio, etc. played a significant role in the development of Indian film industries, and they are still existing and they are still contributing to Indian film industries. So in this way, my dear student, Indian film industry was developed in Marathi as well as in Hindi. So let us move on to the next topic, that is entertainment and professional opportunities. So what opportunities we youngsters, we youth can have by studying history? What are the fields open? Let us continue. The students of history can avail of many professional opportunities in the fields of drama and movies. So let us see the drama first, what opportunities we have. First, in order to achieve accuracy of stage backdrops on the stage, deep knowledge of history of arts and architectures of the concerned period is essential. So opportunity for backdrop, that is backstage, is more important, and art and architecture of the concerned type is also essential. So expert in these fields can work as an directors or consultant. So it's depend how much knowledge we have gained and what how much we can contribute to that particular film. Second opportunity in drama is the script writer as well as dialogue writers need assistance of expert in languages and the history of languages. So what type of language was spoken during that period, which period we have selected, for example Shivaji Maharaj's period or Samrat Ashoka's period or any other period which we have selected, what we are going to depict, what type of language they used to speak, what type of costumes they used to wear. So all such knowledge, one if if we study, then we have a good opportunity. Let us move on to the cinema, the opportunity available in cinema. First opportunity is the art director of movie create the backdrop design of atmosphere. For example, we have to show the fort, then we must go study the fort, how it is, let us say the Sinhagad or the Raigad. Then we must go and study the fort, and then we have to depict the similar fort in the studio, and then the shooting goes on. So in this way the background design of atmosphere. Then costumes, what type of costumes they must be wearing at that particular period. The jewelry, what sort of jewelry were used. Makeup, their hairstyle, all such things one has to study, and then suitable to the time of the theme of the movie. So everything has to be depicted. Scholars of history can work in this field as art director or as consultant to the art director. So opportunity is there to be an art director or the consultant. Second opportunity is to write movie dialogues. Knowledge of the culture and language as spoken in the concerned period is necessary. So if Ashoka period, then Pali knowledge one should have. So because the then language was spoken was Pali. So if we have the knowledge of that language, then we can write the dialogues, we can help the dialogue writers to formulate the dialogues in that manner. Expert in this field can find many professional opportunities. So in this way, my dear student, art plays an important role in the fields of cinema and drama, and then quite many opportunities are available in this field. So we have come to an end of this lesson 6, entertainment and history. It was a lengthy lesson and we have made it into 8 parts, my dear student. First of all, we have studied the folk theatre. Before that, why do we need entertainment, that we have studied. Then we studied the Dasavatara theatre, followed by bhajans and kirtans, Lalit, Bharuda, Tamasha and Povadas. These were the singing and performing arts which we have seen. Then we moved to Marathi theatre, that is the drama, Marathi drama, and then this Marathi drama we have seen how it was developed, and the famous plays which were written in Marathi, that also we had seen, and the Nat Samrat, which based on King Lear of Shakespeare, that also we have seen. Kichak Vad we have seen, and then we moved to Indian film industries, cinema how it became famous medium of entertainment, what type of movies are there, that also we have seen. Then we went to the tradition, how the producers kept the tradition on and how they contributed to the Indian film industries, that is Dada Saheb Torne, Dada Saheb Phalke, and there were quite many. Then even ladies were not lacking in it, so Kamla Bai Mangalurkar was one of that, and in this way the Indian film industries flourished. Finally, we have seen what opportunities we can get by studying history, and so we said that the experts in history can help to have a backdrop for the drama of the concerned period, and he can be an art director or consultant. Then script writers as well as dialogue writers need assistance of expert in language, that particular language. So this opportunity is also created over there. In the same way, in cinema also opportunity for the youngsters are as art director or as consultant of art director, this opportunity is there. Then also the opportunity to write the movie dialogues. So experts in these fields can find many professional opportunities. In this way, my dear student, we have come to an end of this lesson. Now please read the lesson once again, try to find out the difficulties what you face, then you put a comment over there. Then my dear student, the exercises are given, try to solve these exercises, and please get ready for the test which we will announce soon. So please read the lesson. All the question will be based on the text, so don't rely on the digest or any other helps, but text is the main source, the mother source, and therefore read the text and you will be thorough with it. So my dear student, then I declare that this lesson is over. Have a nice time and goodbye.